In the past few years, something interesting has been happening in the world of computers. A growing number of people, from casual users to professional developers, have been quietly leaving their familiar operating systems behind and moving to something many once considered too complicated or too technical: Linux. For decades, Linux lived mostly in the shadows of mainstream systems like Windows and macOS. It powered servers, ran on supercomputers, and formed the backbone of much of the internet, yet most everyday users barely noticed it existed. But recently, that has begun to change. Conversations online, tech forums, YouTube channels, and social media posts all seem to be repeating the same phrase: "I switched to Linux." So the question naturally arises, why is everyone suddenly switching to Linux? To understand the current surge in Linux adoption, we first need to understand what Linux actually is. Linux is an open-source operating system kernel originally created by Linus Torvalds in 1991. Over time, it grew into a complete ecosystem of operating systems known as Linux distributions, or distros. These include popular versions like Ubuntu, Fedora, Linux Mint, Arch Linux, and many others. Unlike proprietary operating systems, Linux is built on open-source principles. This means anyone can view the code, modify it, and distribute their own version. That openness has led to one of the most collaborative software ecosystems in the world. For many years, Linux carried a reputation that scared away average users. People believed it required typing endless commands into a terminal and demanded advanced technical knowledge just to install or update software. While there was some truth to that decades ago, the Linux experience today is dramatically different. Modern distributions offer user-friendly interfaces, graphical installers, and software stores that look very similar to what people are used to on other operating systems. In fact, many new users are surprised to discover that installing Linux can sometimes be faster and simpler than installing other operating systems. One of the biggest reasons people are switching to Linux right now is growing frustration with the direction of mainstream operating systems. Many users feel that systems like Windows have become increasingly bloated, cluttered with advertisements, telemetry, and unnecessary background services. Instead of feeling like the owner of their computer, some users feel like they are renting it from a corporation. Updates appear without warning, settings reset themselves, and new features often seem designed more for data collection or promotion rather than improving the user experience. Linux offers a very different philosophy. When you install Linux, the system belongs entirely to you. There are no forced advertisements built into the operating system. There are no mandatory online accounts required just to use your computer. You can customize almost every part of the system, from the desktop environment to the kernel itself, if you really want to. For people who value control over their technology, Linux feels refreshing. Privacy is another huge factor driving the recent wave of Linux adoption. Over the past decade, public awareness about data collection has grown dramatically. Many people now understand that large companies often gather detailed information about how their devices are used. This data can include browsing habits, software usage, and even behavioral patterns. While companies claim this data helps improve products, many users simply don't feel comfortable with the idea. Linux distributions generally collect little to no user data by default. Because the software is open source, anyone can examine the code to verify what the system is actually doing. This transparency creates a level of trust that proprietary systems struggle to match. Users who care deeply about digital privacy often see Linux as a safe haven where their computer works for them instead of reporting back to a corporation. Performance is another major reason people are making the switch. Modern versions of Windows and macOS require increasingly powerful hardware to run smoothly. As operating systems become heavier, older computers begin to slow down. Tasks that once felt instantaneous can turn frustratingly sluggish. Many people eventually feel forced to buy new hardware simply to keep their systems usable. Linux can dramatically extend the life of older machines. Because it is highly customizable, lightweight distributions exist that run smoothly on hardware that would struggle with other operating systems. A laptop that feels nearly unusable on Windows might run perfectly fine with a lightweight Linux desktop environment. For students, hobbyists, and anyone trying to save money, this ability to revive older computers is extremely appealing. Another reason Linux adoption is rising is the massive improvement in software compatibility. Years ago, one of the biggest barriers to Linux adoption was the lack of popular applications. Many widely used programs simply weren't available for Linux users. Today, that situation has changed significantly. A growing number of major applications now offer official Linux versions, including browsers, development tools, communication platforms, and creative software. In addition to native applications, compatibility layers have improved dramatically. Tools like Wine and Proton allow many Windows applications and games to run on Linux with little to no modification. This progress has been particularly important for gaming, which was once considered impossible on Linux. Now, thanks largely to developments from companies like Valve and the popularity of devices like the Steam Deck, thousands of games run smoothly on Linux systems. Gaming on Linux has evolved faster in the past few years than in the previous 2 decades combined. Valve's Proton technology translates Windows-based game instructions into Linux-compatible commands in real time. As a result, many games designed exclusively for Windows now run surprisingly well on Linux. Shift has eliminated one of the biggest obstacles that previously kept gamers tied to other operating systems. The rise of Linux-friendly hardware has also played an important role. Some computer manufacturers now ship laptops and desktops with Linux pre-installed. Companies like System76, Tuxedo Computers, and even large brands like Dell have begun offering official Linux options. This means users no longer need to go through the process of installing the system themselves if they don't want to. At the same time, the broader technology landscape has made Linux more familiar to everyday users without them even realizing it. Android, the world's most popular mobile operating system, is built on the Linux kernel. Most of the Internet servers run on Linux. Cloud computing platforms rely heavily on Linux infrastructure. Even smart devices, routers, and televisions frequently run modified versions of Linux. In many ways, Linux has been quietly powering modern technology for years. Another factor contributing to the sudden surge in Linux interest is the growing online community. Platforms like YouTube, Reddit, and technology forums are filled with tutorials, guides, and discussions about Linux. Beginners can now find step-by-step instructions for almost any task imaginable. If someone encounters a problem, chances are that someone else has already solved it and shared the solution online. This accessibility has dramatically lowered the learning curve. Instead of struggling alone, new Linux users can rely on a global community of enthusiasts willing to help. Many people who switch to Linux describe the community as one of the most welcoming aspects of the experience. Customization is another area where Linux truly shines. On many operating systems, users are limited to a small set of themes or interface tweaks. Linux, on the other hand, allows users to reshape the entire look and behavior of their desktop environment. You can choose from different desktop environments like GNOME, KDE Plasma, XFCE, Cinnamon, and many others, each with its own design philosophy and feature set. This flexibility means Linux can adapt to almost any workflow. Some users prefer a sleek modern interface with animations and visual effects. Others want a minimal environment that prioritizes speed and simplicity. Linux makes both options possible. In fact, it allows people to create setups that feel uniquely their own. Another powerful feature of Linux is its package management system. Instead of downloading programs individually from websites, most Linux distributions provide centralized software repositories. These repositories contain thousands of applications that can be installed with a single command or click. Updates for both the operating system and installed software are handled through the same system, simplifying maintenance and improving security. Security is yet another major reason people are turning to Linux. Because of its architecture and open-source nature, Linux has long been considered one of the most secure operating systems available. While no system is completely immune to threats, Linux tends to experience far fewer viruses and malware attacks compared to other platforms. Its permission structure and software distribution model make it much harder for malicious programs to spread. For professionals working in technology, Linux skills have also become increasingly valuable. Many industries, from cybersecurity to cloud engineering, rely heavily on Linux systems. Learning Linux can open doors to new career opportunities and technical expertise. As more people explore programming, system administration, and networking, they naturally gravitate toward Linux environments. Another reason Linux adoption is accelerating is dissatisfaction with forced upgrade cycles. Some operating systems require users to move to newer versions even when they prefer the older ones. Hardware compatibility requirements can also make older devices obsolete overnight. Linux distributions typically offer long-term support versions that remain stable and usable for years without forcing users into major upgrades. Open-source philosophy also plays a psychological role in attracting new users. Many people appreciate the idea of software created collaboratively by communities rather than controlled entirely by corporations. The open-source model encouraged transparency, shared knowledge, and innovation. Users often feel like participants rather than passive consumers. Content creators have also begun highlighting Linux more frequently. Tech YouTubers, bloggers, and streamers now regularly showcase Linux setups, tutorials, and experiments. As these creators demonstrate that Linux can be practical, stylish, and powerful, curiosity among viewers grows. Many people decide to try Linux simply because they saw someone else using it successfully. Another interesting factor is the growing culture around digital independence. Some users are becoming more conscious about how much control large tech companies have over their devices and data. Switching to Linux represents a form of technological self-reliance. It allows people to step outside ecosystems dominated by a few powerful corporations. Despite all these advantages, Linux is not perfect. Some specialized software, particularly certain professional creative tools, still lacks native Linux support. Hardware compatibility can occasionally require additional configuration. And while the learning curve has become much gentler, it still exists. But for many users, the benefits now outweigh the drawbacks. The perception of Linux has shifted dramatically over time. What was once viewed as a niche system for programmers has evolved into a versatile platform suitable for everyday computing. With modern interfaces, strong community support, improved gaming compatibility, and growing privacy concerns pushing users away from traditional systems, Linux has found itself at the center of a technological shift. As more people experiment with Linux, they often discover that the transition is not as difficult as they expected. Many even find the experience surprisingly enjoyable. The sense of ownership, customization, and efficiency can make computing feel fresh again. In the end, the sudden surge in Linux adoption is not the result of a single change. It is the combination of many factors happening at once: frustration with proprietary systems, rising privacy awareness, improved usability, stronger gaming support, better hardware compatibility, and a vibrant online community. Together, these forces are reshaping how people think about operating systems. Linux is no longer just the system running hidden servers in data centers. It is increasingly becoming the operating system on personal laptops, desktops, and gaming devices around the world. Whether this trend will continue to grow remains to be seen, but one thing is clear: Linux is no longer the quiet outsider in the operating system world. It is now a serious contender, and more people are discovering its potential every day.